And we live. What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Simone, and I'm back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. If you are new to the channel, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation videos, and meditation music. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos, okay? So let's get into it, Pisces. Let's see what's up. Last video for this 2-week period. Hey, welcome back. Last video, y'all. We got this. So Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what's up with Pisces. Oh, hold on. Full of love, though. Love. Okay, let's see. We have in the moment and you are the one. In the moment and you are the one. The first two cards to come out. So, oh. Hold on. Are these turned over? Which way is this turned? Oh my God. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Okay, last year may be significant. That was turned over too, but I'm not taking that. So, in the moment, you are the one. Side hose and Wi-Fi wifey at the bottom. So I feel like Pisces, you're either around like a group of people, or you're being chosen, you're being selected from a group of people. You're being put apart from a group of people, or you're being set apart from a group of people, or a lot of options. Like with side hose, it's like a lot of options of something. Yeah, because now a lot of cards are wanting to come out like at one time. So I feel like okay, then we have Sweet Serenade and Hustle Harder. So with Sweet Serenade, either you or whoever it is that's selecting you is hearing something nice, hearing something that they like, something that they love. I feel like something is really loved in your reading, whether that's you or whatever service or thing that you offer or whatever you're working on. I feel like, and then with Hustle Harder, I feel like other people have to work harder to make something sound good, or you have to work harder in order to sound good, but you're being selected for something in the moment out of all of these options. And it could be because you hustle harder, or it could be because you are the one saying or sounding nice to whatever this thing is. But I feel like something is really loved. I don't know what that something is yet, but something is really, really loved. So I feel like someone is really enjoying or loving what you're doing in the moment, or how you're being in the moment. Ooh. Let's see. That's supposed to be. See how we're doing on time. Okay, we're doing great. So in the moment, you are the one for Pisces. Or yikes. Oh, if they are selecting you in the moment, like it feels like a quick decision, like a you. What's your name? You come here. You come do this. And then, like, everybody else is like, what the fuck? Why'd you pick them? But then, it's like you, damn, wow. I was about to say, it's like you get lucky. I feel like you get lucky. Wheel of Fortune fucking popped out. I feel like you get lucky and get, wow, and get this partnership. Like, you get lucky and get this position. You get lucky and you get this opportunity. Because I feel like maybe currently you're in this Queen of Pentacles reversed energy, where it's almost like you're unprepared, or you feel like you don't deserve, or you feel like you don't know if you have everything it takes to do this thing, or to get this thing, or to do something. And I feel like you're getting lucky and you're being called to do something. Judgment at the bottom of the deck. Like, they're like, you, Pisces, out of all these people, I want you to do this. And then you like, damn, like out of all these people, out of all these artists, out of all these musicians, out of all these accountants, out of all of these investors, out of all of these, you know what I'm saying? Out of everybody in this trade, or everybody in this room, everybody in this group, everybody in whatever this thing is, you're selecting me? That's what it feels like. In the moment, you were the one. Wow, the sun behind Judgment. So I feel like it makes you really happy, but then with Temperance in reverse, I feel like you're uneasy about it. Like you don't know, like, am I really ready? Is this really for me, or is this an injustice? Like, is this a curse or is this a blessing? Because now I'm getting this whole new position, and I've never done this before. I've never thought of this before. Like, what it sounds good with Sweet Serenade. Like, yeah, it sounds good, but it's something that you have to work really hard at, because again, like, you coming into it already feeling like, I don't know if I have enough, is already reason enough to hustle harder, or already reason enough to want to go harder or do more or to be better in order to fulfill whatever this seat is and this position that you've been put in, or you've been selected for, or you put yourself in. Shit, if you said I'm a boss, and then now you have to go sit in that seat, now you have to go do boss shit, Pisces. You can't just get the opportunity and then that's the end of it. Like, now you have to do the work. Now is the hard part. Like, you already got lucky, got the job. You already got lucky, got the car. You already got lucky and got whatever the fuck it is that you wanted. Like, you got it. And now that you have this thing, what are you going to do with it? So now your options come in. Now the side hustles come in. Now these distractions come in. Why is side hustles here for Pisces? We have the Knight of Cups reversed, and then the Three of Cups reversed. So I feel like you're turning down shit. Like, you have to. You have to. I feel like other offers that are coming in, you're turning them down so that you can focus on whatever it is that you've been selected for. And now I feel like now that you've been chosen for something, now everybody wants you. It's like that, now I'm hot, they all on me. Like, now you got all these offers coming in after you had one person choose you first. Like, somebody chose you first and they were like, you were the one. I want this for you. I want to do this with you or for you. And now everybody else wants to come in, and now you're saying no because they're reversed. You're saying no to these people, places, and things. Yeah, like a lot. Like, a lot of people are wanting to communicate with you, or a lot of people are wanting to be in union with you, or talk to you, or offer you something with the Knight of Cups and the Three of Cups. Wow, yeah, like it's like they're throwing money at you. Like, they're throwing all of these, like, I just want to say money. Like, they're literally throwing money at you, or people are throwing money at you, or wanting to throw money at you. They're being called to throw money at you. So, like, these people that you're denying, hold the fuck up. I'm sorry, y'all. Side hoes. Wow, behind side hoes, I didn't even see these cards were stuck together. I thought it was just side hoes. But behind side hoes is marriage. Wow, so I feel like, wow, Pisces, I feel like you've committed yourself to whatever this you are the one is, whatever it is, this first union or this first opportunity that you feel like you got lucky for, or someone feels like they got lucky being with you. And they're committing to you, or you're committing to them, or vice versa. And there's a lot of no's kind of going around, like, because I feel like something is blowing up because you're doing the work. Like, I already know. I don't even have to see it to know that you're doing the work, because now everybody wants to come in. Now everybody sees your calling. Now everybody sees your gift, Pisces, and they see you balancing out a situation that was imbalanced, or they see you working on it. and knowing that you're working on it, and knowing the momentum or whatever, this mindset or this thought or this idea that you have, I feel like people know that it's going to work. And now they want to be around you. Now they want to be in union with you. They want to be committed to you. So for that, Pisces, I'm going to say, remember day ones. Just remember your day ones, because I feel like a lot is happening really quickly. Like, I feel like you got really lucky. And I can't even say that, because I feel like good things come to those who work and wait. And I feel like it was something you've wanted for a long time, or something you asked for a long time ago, that's literally being guided to you, or your ancestors or your angels are bringing it to you. And they're like, all right, now is the time. Now is the time. Do this right now. This right here in the moment. You do this right here, right now. And then the options want to come out and all this shit. Sweet serenade and hustle harder. Oh my God, I fucking knew it. Sweet serenade and hustle harder. 10 of cups. 10 of cups. Like, it all sounds good. It's like everybody wants this life. And now you get to live this life. And it's a tower for a lot of people. Or it was a tower for you, where you had to overcome something. You had to step out and fly. Or you had to step out and work harder in order to do something. And you do it. King of Swords reversed. 4 of Wands reversed. 10 of Swords reversed. So yeah, I feel like you turn a whole situation around by walking away from offers that were set up for you that would have stopped you or kept you stagnant. Not wanting to work with certain people has put you in a position where you can be happy, or put you in a position where you can call the shots, or you can determine when this tower falls or when change happens. Like, you are the change. Like, it just feels like the catalyst. Like, you got called to a position, you were put in that position, and then it was like, you didn't just sit there, Pisces. Like, you really did the work. So again, whether this was you putting yourself in a position or somebody appointing you to a position, you taking ownership of whatever this is what's bringing you this abundance, or was bringing you this 10 of Cups energy. And then we have unexpected money at the bottom of the deck. So it's bringing you wealth, essentially. Let me see what's behind this. Dang, loser is behind that. So I feel like that's the old you. The old you. Because you're like, damn, like, why didn't I do this sooner? Why wasn't this just flipped over? Why wasn't I clear on this earlier? Why didn't I communicate this earlier? Dang, Tower still at the bottom of the deck with the Ace of Pentacles. So yeah, you have these new opportunities coming in, these new seeds that you planted, these new shit going on, because you're no longer focused on these fives. Like, you're not focused on what's not working. You're not focused on, you know, being sad or who won or who's getting left out or anything. Like, all these side hoes, all these distractions, I feel like you're not even paying them any attention. Like, you're too focused on what it is that you've committed yourself to, and that's shaking shit up for everybody. So I'm gonna leave it there. Let's pull an advice card for you, Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. How we doing on time? We're doing great. Everything is great. Life is so great. Let's see. Advice for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Step out of your comfort zone. But Scorpio just got this too. I think it was Scorpio. Step out of your comfort zone. So yeah, like, even though it may feel uncomfortable or uneasy to be put in this situation, or to put yourself in this situation, definitely working on it or working through it will I feel like it's changing your life. Wow, a win-win outcome is forecast. For sure, that's like, you're already winning. Like, you already got lucky, and then it just goes up from here, because now you're transmuting that energy. Confidence is your key to success. So smile, Pisces. Like, yo, like, you don't have nothing to be sad about or to cry about. And if anybody around you is crying or sad, quickly move away with a smile and wish them well, because you don't have time for that right now. Whatever it is that you focused on or you committed yourself to, work hard on that. Work hard on that, Pisces, because you've been chosen. You've been chosen and you've been called to do something that a lot of people would really want to do. But it's you. So that is what I have for you for the next 2 weeks. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, leave me a comment, share the video. Oh no.